What a beautiful environment, what a beautiful day to teach a group of motivated people how to create cinematic images with a drone. One of the big challenges when you're filming with a drone is not necessarily how to capture some images, but really how to capture the right images. And for that, preparation matters. The first thing that you need to do is to establish a shot list. Really think about what kind of shots would you like to have, and then step by step execute the shot list by using also manual settings of the camera on the drone itself. Because the automatic settings are great, but if you want to have a lot of control over the image and create the cinematic shots, then you cannot avoid just switching to the professional mode and setting the white balance, shutter speed, ISO value and other things really manually to have this full control over your image. And it will be rewarded, this I guarantee you. Whenever you're flying with a drone, it's extremely important to respect the security warnings and the legal predispositions, because if you're going to crash with a drone on something or someone in worst case, then you're having a lot of trouble. So therefore always check whether you're allowed to fly at the places, if there is not some no-fly zone where you want to fly in there. That's it. Coaching is over and I think it was a great success. Everybody was happy and they learned quite a lot, not only how to fly with the drones, but especially to create beautiful images with a drone, which is so much more important. They have seen that knowing the right techniques and mastering the right techniques, it's not even so difficult to get these beautiful images. If you switch from automatic mode to manual mode on the drone, if you parameter your white balance, ISO and all the other things, shutter speed, then all of a sudden everything becomes so much more cinematic. And especially if you fly slowly, nice slow movements, then you get exactly these shots that you want, which everybody else wants and they don't have it, but you have it. So from this perspective, thank you very much for watching. A big thank you also especially to Lena for being a great help during this coaching here. And also of course for the CNFPC of Luxembourg, Christoph, for hosting this coaching. I think it was fun for everyone. And now you know the game. If you like it, then like the video. If you like it, then subscribe. If you like it, then follow me. And if you like it, recommend it to your friends. And now I'm going home. See you very soon again for the next video.